Navratri is just around the corner and the festival of 9 nights is about to begin. During this festival, devotees worship the 9 forms or avatars of Goddess Durga, which then culminates on the 10th day with Dussehra. Each day of Navratri is dedicated to a particular goddess and is signified by a special color. So from today, I will be doing the Shringar of my Durga idol in 9 avatars of Goddess Durga, depicting each day of Navratri. The festival of Navratri begins with the sacred ritual of Ghat Sthapana, which is also believed to invoke Goddess Durga. This day depicts victory of good over evil. Ma Shailputri is the first form of Ma Durga. She is worshipped on the auspicious day followed by Ma Brahmacharini, Ma Chandraghanta and other avatars of Goddess Durga. In Sanskrit language, Shail means mountain and Putri means daughter. Goddess Shailputri, the absolute form of Mother Nature, is also known to be the daughter of Himalayas. According to Hindu beliefs, Goddess Shailputri is an incarnation of Devi Sati. In this incarnation, she was the daughter of King Daksha Prajapati, who was the son of Lord Brahma. Devi Sati was married to Lord Shiva. However, King Daksha was unhappy with this marriage, as he did not consider Lord Shiva to be worthy of marrying a girl who belongs to an honorable family. The story goes that King Daksha once invited all gods to attend a grand religious Mahayagna. Since he was against the marriage of Lord Shiva and Devi Sati, he did not invite them. When Devi Sati got to know about this Mahayagna, she decided to attend it. Lord Shiva tried explaining that King Daksha did not want him to be present for the Yagna, but Devi Sati insisted on attending the ceremony. Lord Shiva understood that she longed to go home and allowed her to go for Yagna. But as soon as Devi Sati reached there, she noticed that none of her relatives were happy to see her. King Daksha made some derogatory comments about Lord Shiva and also insulted him in front of all gods. Devi Sati could not bear this insult and immediately jumped into the sacrificial fire meant for Mahayagna and immolated herself. As soon as this news reached Lord Shiva, he grew angry and immediately invoked a fearful form, Veerbhadra. Lord Shiva proceeded towards the Mahayagna and King Daksha was beheaded by Lord Shiva. Later, Lord Vishnu intervened and King Daksha was brought back to life with a goat's head attached to his body. Lord Shiva was still grief-stricken and carried Devi Sati's half-burned corpse on his shoulder. He was unable to part with her and wandered endlessly about the world. Lord Vishnu used his Sudarshan Chakra to serve Devi Sati's corpse and parts of her body fell at different places. These places came to be known as Shakti Peeth. In her next birth, Devi Sati was born as the daughter of the god of mountains, Himalaya. She was named Shailputri and was also known as Parvati in this incarnation. In this incarnation, due to her prolonged path of penance, she came to be known as Ma Brahmacharini or Goddess Parvati. This time again, she was married to Lord Shiva and had 2 sons, Ganesha and Kartikeya. Being an avatar of Goddess Durga, Ma Shailputri is worshipped on the first day of Navratri. She carries a lotus in one hand, a trident in the other, and uses a bull or Nandi as her vehicle. Ma Shailputri is worshipped with great enthusiasm, and it is believed that her devotees can lead a happy and successful life with her blessings. So this was the story of Devi Shailputri. If you like this video, do not forget to press like button and subscribe to my channel. Also press notification icon. So this is how Devi is depicted in one of the Durga Saptashati books that I have read. And since I wanted my Devi Durga to look just like Ma Shailputri, so I made this ready-made sari with exact color tone of how the Devi is depicted in that picture, light peach color, and this sari is ready-made. and I can also make dresses in smaller size. So the size of the idol is 4.5 inches and the size of sari is 3 inches overall. So I can make small dresses too. Plus most of us have small idols at our home and it feels really difficult to do shringar to them. But the reality is, if you have right kind of dress with you, you can do shringar to any kind of idol. Upcoming video will be devoted to Ma Brahmacharini, the second form of goddess Durga. So do keep up with the channel. Bye bye. Jai Mata Di.